The nuclear right now provides 50% of the clean energy to the grid right now. That is a huge value. When we talk about President Biden's clean energy transition vision, blue collar union jobs while reducing CO2 emissions, the IBEW is right there beside him, as in we can adjust our workforce as we get a cleaner vision. But we presently represent about 85,000 fossil fuel workers that we have to transition into clean energy jobs, just as the president talked about. So clearly for the IBEW is, how do we transition those workers into those clean energy jobs? And historically, I'll tell you this, is that there is no just transition for anyone that doesn't have a job. So that's our focus, is where are the jobs, where are the clean energy jobs, that they're blue collar union jobs. First and foremost, it's what we were looking at the IBEW is, how do we keep the existing nuclear reactors productive, business financially solvent, and on the grid themselves. So to recognize the clean energy that nuclear provides to the system is the first and foremost, is what we need to be able to do right off the bat. And to add value of the next generation of nuclear, which is the small modular reactors. That's a real opportunity for not only workers, but the communities to construct these SMRs at locations of retiring fossil fuel locations. And we say that is because there's a natural transition between power plant workers. We can retrain, we can run additional apprenticeship programs to move our workforce from one power generating facility to another. We just need to know that there are jobs there and that there is a way to transition them. Presently, when we look at a fossil fuel power plant, there's about 120 fossil fuel workers that work there on a daily basis. But looking into the future and the future of nuclear itself, we look at the TerraPower project, which is a 345 megawatt project with an estimated 220 full-time actual workers there. And that doesn't count the 2,000 workers that's going to be involved in the construction process itself. This is a real opportunity for us to move to baseload, clean energy transition into nuclear. The nuclear provides that opportunity, and also the nuclear provides that solution for all of us. Nuclear can provide the clean energy, it provides reliability, it can provide resilience, and it can do it at 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. So we're focusing at the IBEW on policies they must continue to support, keeping our nuclear reactors up and running and competitive in the market. And also credit for the blue collar union jobs they presently have and today, and those jobs that we're looking at in the future. And just like Senator Rezin talked a few minutes ago, there is a clean energy transition to take place, and nuclear is part of that transition. So